Hello viewers, today I was telling about perfect Instagram profile picture. For that we need to go to Instagram account and here we need to click on profile. Here we need to click on edit profile. So here we need to click on change profile. I was taking a new picture. So I was taking a picture of Hare Krishna eyes. I was clicking on next button. So so it was okay. For suppose your Instagram profile was not uh, on cut side means we need to click on change profile. I was showing that one also. I was choosing a picture of this. So I was clicking on next. Now you can see the picture was not coming perfectly. So again I will show you another picture for that. Wait. So I was choosing the Tom and Jerry. Click on the next. You can see the picture was not in perfect. So sometimes your picture was not in perfect means you need to go to Snapseed, install the Snapseed from your account, click on plus symbol. So here I was choosing a picture of Tom and Jerry. So here we need to click on tools. Here we need to click on um, expand. If you click on expand means the picture will be expanded. So after that we need to click on export. I was sharing in my, it was shared to my gallery as again coming back. So here the picture was saved. I was click on next. I was clicking on the list. Like this you can make your Instagram perfect picture. Thank you.